Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into managing an online course launch in Airtable. Now, this is your full 2025 guide, so buckle up. First things first, we need to create a new base for your course launch. This is where you'll organize and track all your data. The reason we do this is to keep everything in one place, making your launch process smoother and more efficient. Next up, we're going to create tables for each major component of your course launch. This includes things like your marketing plan, course content, and student enrollment. Each table should represent a different aspect of your launch. This helps us because it ensures that every detail is accounted for and trackable. Now that we've done that, let me explain why this matters. Your tables act as a framework for your launch. They help you visualize your entire project, making it easier to manage tasks and deadlines. Moving on, let's populate those tables with records. Each record represents an item within that category. For example, in your marketing plan table, a record could be a social media post or an email campaign. This is critical because it helps you break down each component of your launch into manageable tasks. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Airtable is automatically sorting and organizing your records. This means you can easily track your progress and make changes on the fly. The last major step is to use Airtable's powerful view options. You can switch between grid, calendar, or Kanban view depending on your needs. The reason we do this is to customize your workspace. It's all about finding what works best for you. Now let's wrap this up. To manage an online course launch in Airtable, create a new base. Set up tables for each component, populate those tables with records, and use the view options to your advantage. Remember, Airtable is flexible, so don't be afraid to adjust your setup as you go along. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your online course launch.